My name is Vitor Paulo Correia. I work for Eletrobras. I am responsible for the Center of Excellence in Hyperautomation. Well, we have been using automation rails since 4 years at Eletrobras. Our use cases are, most of them started by the typical RPA projects. Nowadays, we are having a lot of intelligent automations. A few cases are now using document automation. We have a lot of technical documents in Eletrobras since we are an engineering company. So these kinds of challenges or opportunities we are facing and using automation anywhere. I think the most valuable one is document automation. In my opinion, the new enhanced version is a game changer. We have lots of improvements by extracting data, unstructured data from images to structured data. So with this quality, this accuracy, we are now able to do lots of value. I mean, using generative AI with this data and making the automation more intelligent. Automation where brings a lot of value not only by automations, but with citizens. I mean, people that do not have the ability to create technical solutions, they are now able to do it because we are doing some things like hackathons with Automation Aware team, and it's a brilliant case that we are now doing this year. It's another way of adding value to the business. The integration with much more applications. I know that it's very integrated nowadays, but the complexity is a key thing. I mean, giving the opportunity for common users to integrate it with many other environments. Learning curve, I think, is very short. We have started a few hackathons, and in 1 week, we have done almost 40 cases in 1 week. We did it twice. So in 2 weeks, we have almost 80 cases from idea to construction. This is a big value. And we did it in 2 different cities in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro and in Recife. And it was amazing opportunity to bring value to people that do not have technical skills. Yes, we are starting to use Automation Copilot, and we are very happy with this new tool and expecting much more use cases in the future. It's an easy way to do more with the automation in a way that people feel free to focus on the problem and not on the technical skills. We have used it in Teams. Yeah, we use it a lot, so it brings a lot of value when we activate Copilot from Teams. We have been using automation integrated with Google Cloud Vertex AI to give more power in AI solutions. Automation will save a lot of time and cost when we change the labor tasks from repetitive and boring things to more intelligent things. Automation anywhere can scale the process, the solution, when we combine different technologies, and the limits nowadays are almost zero. because we have a lot of integration, a lot of opportunity to combine different technologies wherever the process is nowadays. Oh, it's amazing. It's my second time here, and the first one was incredible, and nowadays it's very clear for me to see the improvements of not only on the products but also on the customers and the use cases. So it brings a lot of value when we see examples, not only theory. It's about realization, really. So it's amazing. I would describe the Imagine experience an amazing thing to anyone. Not only for technical people, but also for business people, or for students too, because we can realize the opportunities of automation to increase value not only for company, for people, also for humans, and facing the challenges that we have in technology also that are getting even more simple, more user-friendly, and to be more productive. Everyone would like to be more productive and happy on their job, on their life, so it brings a lot of value in many aspects. We have evaluated other solutions like Microsoft, like SAP, and big ones. The different thing is that automation can combine different platforms, so we are not limited to just one platform. We can combine most of them, and each one with its proper value. So it brings a lot of value when we have this mix of different technologies and the liberty to scale it in many different processes. Yes, a lot of return on the investment, not only about the automation, but also in the integration with the automation with the intelligence tools like Google and Microsoft and other kind of platforms that we have nowadays. For example, we have an average of more than 30,000 hours saved per year in a medium. It's a big number, as well as a lot of cost reductions related to these solutions. Automation where support has bigger value for us in Eletrobras when we have decided to use the gold support, because we have an operation in Eletrobras with 5 companies, and we have transmission of energy. We have and many assets. We have more than 8,000 employees, so it's a big operation. Then we gotta have the proper support for many automations. So any change of the version, any mistake that we done can also be quickly managed with this kind of support from automation. It's a very robust solution. We didn't face any trouble within these 4 years of use. So I think the solution is very stable also, and as well as stability with innovation is excellent combination, because the product it didn't stop. So we are always having news and enhancements and more products in a very short time frame. So it's a good combination, stability and evolution of the products. I can give a higher value of satisfaction to automation where it almost to 10, from 0 to 10, it's almost 10, because the solution brings a lot of innovation And nowadays, each time there's a new product, a new idea, a new solution, also not only for technical team, but also I can see people that do not have technical skills saying the same thing. They say to our team that, oh, it's a nice platform, I can do a lot of things. So in many different aspects, I can rate Automation Aware as the most valuable one in the market.